Why most small businesses fail with AI and what you're missing. Feeling overwhelmed by AI tools and still stuck doing everything yourself. AI is everywhere, but for most small business owners, it's a confusing maze. You've seen the lists, 101 AI tools to try, and maybe even tried a few. But instead of more clarity, you're buried in apps you barely use. The truth? It's not your fault. You're not lacking effort. You're lacking a system. Here's the core issue. Most businesses approach AI like a collection of cool gadgets, when what they really need is a connected system. Jumping into AI without structure leads to three things: tool overload, wasted subscriptions, no real results. And while you're testing random tools, your business is still stuck in manual mode. Take the story of a small consulting firm. Just 2 people. They were drowning in admin work and struggling to scale. They tried random AI tools, none of it stuck. Then they took a different approach. They built a simple AI stack. ChatGPT to generate reports, Notion AI to organize client notes, Zapier to automate tasks, Tidio to handle customer queries. Within weeks, they were saving 10+ hours a week and growing faster without hiring. What made the difference wasn't more AI, it was the right tools working together. So, if you're ready to stop dabbling and start building a system that works, stay tuned. Because in the next video, we'll walk you through how to build your own simple AI stack from scratch.